Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to turn off always on display feature on this device. So first you should go into the settings, and here you will see the always on display and lock screen section. Tap there, and the first section will be always on display. Tap here once, and as can you see, the switcher near the one where always on display is turned on, and just to turn it off, tap here once on the switcher. And now we'll check. As can you see, we just disable the AOD on XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro 5G. So that's really simple, as can you see. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.